Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where you will find anything and everything yarn and crochet related. And Freddie Mercury pictures all behind me. As you can see, I am obsessed with him. As most yarn YouTube knitting channels, backgrounds consist of yarn. Mine consists of an abundance of Freddie Mercury pictures and everything that has to do with Freddie Mercury. I'm different. That's just the way I roll. I roll on a different level, I guess. A weirder one. How about that? So, you've seen the title of the video. I received some unsolicited mail from Herrschners. But first off, please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button too, and leave me a comment below. Let me know how you're doing today. I am doing wonderful. I am doing fantastic, and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. Every once in a while, I will receive a box of mail from a yarn company, and I always call it unsolicited because I did not ask for it. Sometimes I open them on camera. And sometimes I don't. I like Herrschners a lot. Because I know why yarn companies send me yarn for free. They want me to open it on camera, you know. And, you know. That's what they do it for. So sometimes I don't. It really depends on the yarn company. But I really, really like Herrschners. I've bought from Herrschners for a long time. They've always been really kind to me. I've never had a problem whatsoever with Herrschners. And I hope one day to make it to one of their sales. So since they did send me a box of unsolicited yarn, or actually I don't even know what yarn, unsolicited mail, I will open it on camera and we'll look and see what they sent. Are you guys ready? I'm actually kind of excited to see it. Remember, I gotta really like the yarn company, or I want to open their unsolicited mail on camera. I do give it away in giveaways, but I won't open it on camera. But I really do like Herrschners. So let's see what's in this. All right, I'll help out Herrschners. I'll open that box. Let's check it out. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Herrschners uses good tape. That's another good thing about their company. They use that good tape. Tape that has the fibers in it. You know, kind that you can't hardly open. Alright, here it is. Here it is. Herrschners. Oh, it's yarn. It's yarn. It's a bag of yarn. What's this say? It says Happy Mail to Bagoday Crochet, and then it has my address, which I will not give because I don't need anything from anyone. Is this new? I don't know. That's all it says. Oh, here it is. Oh, let's see what we got here, listeners. So, the name of it is a limited edition yarn. Herrschners worsted Bohemian Romance. You know, Bohemian Rhapsody. It's Bohemian. You got me. You got me, Herrschners. Limited edition yarn. This must be something new. I don't remember seeing this on their site. Well, why don't we go over it a little bit here and I'll tell you about it. Let's see. It's got the Easy Pull tab, which a lot of Herrschner, well, the Herrschners brand yarns, like their worsted and stuff, they'll have that Easy Pull center tag there. It feels good. If you've ever felt their regular 8 ounce worsted yarn, this is a lot softer. This is softer than that, I can tell you that. It smells clean. It's 100% acrylic and 8 ounces, 226 grams, 489 yards, or 448 meters. I believe that's the same size as their worsted 8. So I actually don't know if this is new because last time I was on, I haven't been on Herrschners in a couple weeks, but this is it. This is what they sent. Herrschners Worsted Bohemian Romance. It feels good. I like it. That's a nice acrylic. Let me, it doesn't have a price here. Let me look it up so I can tell you how much it is. Well, I can't find it on their site. I can't find it myself. I looked everywhere. I typed it in. I don't see it on there. So maybe it is extremely new. You know, I didn't ask for this. They sent this. So I'm just showing everybody. I don't know what it costs. I can probably only assume that it's going to be in line with the regular worsted weight yarns, which usually around between $4 and $5 a ball, which isn't a bad price. This feels okay, you know. It kind of feels like Red Heart with Love, if you've ever felt that. Well, maybe this is the whole palette colors. We can go over the palettes. This one's called Sea Salt. Pretty blue. And then we have Desert Sage. Pretty light green, sagey color. Peacock. Yep, that's pretty. I like that one. Nice. Lace. Pretty off-white. Ivory color. French Lilac. The names are very appropriate. Just like that. Peppercorn. Huh. This one is Forget Me Not. Appropriate. Very pretty. I like that gray. Smoky Mountain. That's beautiful. Mist Flower. It's a pretty kind of a Victorian color there. This one is as well. Marsala. Oh, I like that one too. These are just a really pretty palette colors. Like this one. Empire. Nice. And then there's one more here, which is called Deep Woods. So that's the palettes of the Bohemian Romance line. I think that the color palette is nice and in line with the name. Very pretty colors. So, you know, like I said, I can't find it on their website at the making of this video, which is 8/16/2022. Who knows? It could be on there later tonight. Could be on there tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. Thank you, Herrschners, for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. You know what? This would be all these colors, this whole palette of them would look gorgeous all together in like one huge Afghan. But my gosh, if you use all that yarn at 500 yards a piece, that would be a lot of yarn. So this, you know, they just titled it Happy Mail and they didn't say really, you know, what it was for or anything. I do appreciate you sending me that. And I wanted, you know, like I said, I don't open all yarn companies Happy Mail on camera, but I do like Herrschners a lot. So yeah, I like that. You know, like I said, I can't get you really a price on it because right now I can't find it, but it's probably going to be along the lines of their other worsted 8/4 prices. I can only imagine that's what it's going to be. But yeah, I like it. You know, I buy their worsted yarn already, so I would definitely buy that. I think it's a beautiful color palette. I never keep yarn though that yarn company send me for free, so you will probably see those in giveaways. I actually might buy the palette though myself, so because I really do like it whenever it becomes available. It's very pretty colors and I like it a lot. So I just wanted to show you guys the Happy Mail I received from Herrschners. It made me happy. Thank you. I love the name, the Bohemian name. It's super cool. Reminds me of Freddie. Yep. All right, I'm gonna go. Thanks everybody for watching. Okay, check out Herrschners. Check out their new yarn there. Be looking for that in giveaways later or whatnot, and maybe I'll buy the palette myself when it becomes available. I'll see you guys on my next video. You guys stay safe. Okay, bye guys.